Hello guys, today we've caught our fish and today I will tell you about internal organs of fish. Firstly, its heart. It's very small and it's two-chambered. It's heart. Its special organ for swimming. It's swimming bladder. Swimming bladder. It helps to. Its liver. It's the liver of fish. Okay. It's intestine. Intestine it's just intestine. It's stomach. Gills, special organ for respiration in water. It takes oxygen from water. And its head and two eyes, special organs to see. It's lateral line, special organ that's helps fish indicate the power of water, electricity in water, and everything like that. It's special. It's fins, dorsal fin, anal fin, helping them swim.
They are fins. Video çekiyorum değil mi?
Yes.
This is fins.
Dorsal fin.
Which one?
Dorsal.
Dorsal is this one, isn't it?
Korval.
This is the dorsal one.
Korval.
This is?
Korval.
No. What?
Korval.
Okay.
Korval.
This is anal is this.
Одного же тащишь?
Мысли взорвалась.
Нет. Попробуйте вытащить.
Чтобы именно не с бумагой соприкасался.
Лучше ему, пускай осторожно открывай. Она взорвется, если что.
О, Тиго. Все сразу стоят смелость.
Попробуйте. It's very small. Только с нифига. Take bubbles. Are you taking video?
I'm recording it.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Up.
Много горячо.
Oh shit.
Окей, we should let's give more gas. No, it's burning.
You know it can burn your hand.
Yeni alsan sonra, yeni alsan. Puzuruk dört alsan ara puzuruk. Так срывается.
No, горячо.
Рома.
Больше карбидов. I can add more.